Okay, today's not a vlog or anything. Today it's Chef Leo. This is the first time I'm ever doing this on camera, but today I'm making milkshakes. This is my first time ever making milkshakes, so I'm a little bit worried because it's kind of a weird thing. I don't really, I make like cookies and stuff. I like baking, but I'm not used to this. I'm making three milkshakes, but right now I just have one glass and I like cooled it. I put it in like a freezer. I also have ice cream, vanilla ice cream. And then I have like Milky Ways. I'm gonna try to put this in here somehow, I don't really know. And then I got my milk. I got scoop for the ice cream. I got cup stuff, spoon. And then I got Reese's Pieces just in case, I don't know, like as a topping. I personally don't like baking videos, so I'm gonna try to make this at least a little interesting. They're kind of boring to me, but I just wanna film myself doing this because I don't know. All right, so I also have the mixer. I'm gonna plug this in here. And I was actually following a YouTube video on this, and they just like, it's like a European thing, so they use like a weird measurement. So I'm kind of just gonna eyeball the amount of ice cream I need to put in here. But first, you got the milk. It's 1/3 of a cup, so I'm gonna pour that out. I should be doing this over something. That was a bad idea. Okay, here we go. Ah, it's everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna have to eyeball this. This is all softened too. We're gonna try to eyeball the amount of ice cream. I'm gonna say like maybe this. I actually have 2 tubs of ice cream just in case. I'm gonna say like this amount. So this is about the amount they showed. They had a weird measurement for it that I didn't know how to do, so I'm dumb that way. Yeah, that's pretty good. Put a little bit more just in case. All right, so I don't want that to soften too fast or anything. All right, got that on. Now we're gonna turn it up. Oh yeah. So yeah, I got Milky Ways, as you can probably see. Put this guy in. No, buddy, you're going in too. Either way, it's probably gonna turn out well, because I have the general idea. All right. I'm not expecting that. There we go. Oh, God. All right, I'd say that's good. Let's see. This might be a fail, everybody. What am I even looking at there? That looks like chocolate milk. Tastes just like chocolate milk too. So we're redoing this. I imagine it's because I turned this up all the way. I like flicked it on all the way, so that's probably what made it not turn out right. I'm gonna put in the milk, 1/3 cup. Put in the ice cream. That's a good amount, yep. Should be better. I put in 5 before, I think I counted. Yeah, so I put in 3. Remember that, because then we might know what might be up after this. All right, now we're gonna actually turn it on. See how this goes. Keeping it on 5. I want to check it. It smells weird. It's just like weirdly liquidy. I don't understand why. No, I mean, it looks pretty good. We might have done it, guys. It looks kind of like too little, but I don't know. That's pretty good so far. Putting this one back in the freezer. So while that's getting cold, I can get this one. So this time it's better. I think I did it too long again. I just didn't do it as high, so. Trial and error, my friends. This mixer is getting kind of disgusting. All right, we're gonna try one more time. I'm gonna put a little less milk and then I'll add more ice cream and then I'm gonna do it not as long. So we'll see how that goes. A little like 80% milk in there. Now this ice cream is gonna be freezing cold and very solid. Yeah, that's better. I'm putting 3 Milky Ways again. I don't want to use up all the Milky Ways either. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. Oh, look at that. 3 times. All right, that's better, that's better. I'll put this back in the freezer really quick, just in case. All right, here's nothing. Whoa. Put a spoon in there and mix it around. Oh my gosh. So right now it's basically like at the state of Milky Way ice cream. I think we got it, guys. All right, got another freezing cold glass in here. Oh, is this even gonna be able to come out? I mean, the Milky Way is blended really well though. Tastes pretty awesome. Even though it's that low, I mean, this is like the normal amount for a milkshake. It just doesn't like fill up the glass as much. It's kind of a huge glass. All right, now for toppings, we have some pretty awesome stuff. We got whipped cream. Putting this on first. Okay, Got that. We also have some maraschino cherries. And where is stupid chocolate sauce? There it is. There's a stupid chocolate sauce. Okay, I almost put too much. That's good, that's good, that's good. Oh yes. There we go. Pretty good. Look at that. I did it, I did one. Mother, come see. Is it like perfect? Okay, good. I don't know what to do with these though. What should I do with these? Okay. All right, now that I've clearly mastered the milkshake, we can move on to the second one. Stop. But now we're gonna do everything again. All right, gonna do a little bit less like I did that one time. I'm gonna rip this one up. We're gonna rip this one up. This is kind of getting disgusting. Definitely gonna need to wash my hands after this. All right, got it all in, and now we're doing the whipped cream again. Got that. All right, that's just about enough. Starting to figure it out. It's fine.
Perfect.
All right, he's enjoying that over there. So now it's time for mine. All right, let's hope we have 3 left. There's only 2 left. No, wait, this one's still there. Perfect. For that amount. Haha. Now we did put Reese's Pieces in my brother's. I'm not gonna do that because it looks kind of, it's too like candy-ish and too kind of gross. So I'm just gonna continue going with the classic old Milky Way style. Bit more liquidy, which is not bad. It's not bad at all. All right, there we go. You guys are probably getting way tired of this. All right, it's looking good. All right, got the maraschino cherry right on top, and boom, let's go. Okay, got it done. And now, it's time to try it. That didn't even work. Got my stripey straw. I'm gonna put it in. Yes, yes. All right, anyway. Bye.